So it's our final day in the Lake District today, and we are riding Grizedale Forest, but we're going to be riding the Bridleways, which is supposed to be really good, as opposed to the North Face Trail, which is supposed to be a bit rubbish. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. So you might notice that I'm on a different bike to usual, and that's because we thought it'd be fun to try out some full suspension hire bikes, see what they're like. And yeah, so far it's been lovely, very smooth. It's a cool little slab there. I think the restricting factor of how fast I can ride on this thing is going to be the pedals. Because these are much less grippy than what I'm used to. This has been a great track so far. This climb came out of nowhere. Oh, this looks bumpy. That was fun. Might have my work cut out for me keeping the lens clean down here. I'm not sure that was the intended line for that corner, really. Oh, that was close. Ooh, that was loose. Okay, I've got another descent here. Tree. Bit of a dab there. God, these gullies are brutal. really fun. So at the bottom of that last descent, we cruised along the road for a little bit, stopped at a lakeside cafe for a bit of lunch, it was really good. And now we are at the top of a climb called the Fox, which people usually do the other way around as a descent, but we went up it. This looks like a bit of fun. Okay, so we've now nipped up onto the North Face Trail, which is the red trail at Grizedale. Overall, apparently it's supposed to be pretty disappointing, but the last descent, which we're doing now, is supposed to be quite good. Quite techy actually. Bit of a rock garden here. Oh, it needs to be in a lower gear. Oh, that's a fun section. It's nice and flowy, to be fair. Tyres didn't quite have the cornering grip that I was looking for there. Nice flow. Flow mixed with tech, which is what I like. Oh my god, that's narrow. Okay, might have come into that a little bit too hot. Alright, let's crush this last bit. that was fun. Did feel like they were eking out the elevation a little bit, but good overall. If your ride takes you that way, it's a nice way to get a bit of flow. So we have just done an absolute grind of a climb up from the visitor centre to the top of the descent that we're doing now, but it should be pretty much all downhill. Thank you. Yeah, easy cruising from here in theory. Need to get back into the descending mindset. Just been sat in the saddle for the last half hour. Just an unreal single track bridleway. It's got flow, it's got tech, it's got everything. So good. Yo. Okay, we've gotten a little bit looser now. Oh man, that was great. Yeah, that village down there to my left is our end point. Just need to find the way down there. Oh, this is loose. Oh my God. It came out of nowhere. lovely weather to finish. A bit steeper down here. And there we go.